Live from the command center of the JW Solar USA. Guys, this is what I have right now. 15 kilowatt lithium ion battery by Nissan Leaf. So I decided these are old school. You guys have seen a lot of videos about this. And I lost about 10 of them due to compression. And they just popped because taking this compression and this, because they're pressurized, and they just lost it. So I lost 10 of these, but it was 40 of them. See, it would be 40, so 500 times 40, that will give you, the number. And I already put the rods, threaded rods, stainless steel screws, washers, and this is how they look like. I have a lot of hardware here, a lot of washers, bolts and screws, nuts, bracket plates, the brackets here and here, more rods, more of the back plates or the compression plates. These are the ones. So I'm in my garage today, doing this thing. And don't forget, there's some dumbbells here and for a few exercises. Don't forget to exercise. As you're getting older, it's really hard to burn the fat, and it just makes you really tired and everything hurts, and now you can't able to do what you used to do. Up there you can see the modules, the main disconnect. We have the main relay here and the main computer board right here that control the BMS, and they're all up there. So back in the day, I bought 3 full Nissan Leaf batteries, and I've been monkeying with them. I've been working on them, sold some of them to my friends, set up a system for them, and all the gears here, bikes still have these batteries. I see they have the Volkswagen e-Golf. They're sitting there. It's the old system sitting there. It's not doing anything. There's a bunch of the Nissan Leafs all the way down. The Volkswagen e-Golf batteries. I think I had 12 of them. I used to call it the twin tower, something like that. Yeah, back then. Well, I've been busy working on this stuff and see how it is. Let's flip it over and see how they look like. Stay tuned, like and subscribe. So if we're looking at a different angle now, laying them vertical or flat, this is how they look like. That's a whole lot of power here. It's a bunch of power. So what I did, I just put them all in parallel. See all these ones. So if they full, it's brand new. The full charge is 4.8 approximately. 8.4. It can be a 8.2, 8.4. So each module is a 8.4, 8.2 if it's fully charged, because of 4.2 times, if you want to do a 48 volt, is 7 of them you have to put there. It gives you the 58.6, approximately 58.6, 58.4. So if you charge on 4.1, then you're going to stay 8.2. So it's 4 cells in here, 2 in series, 2 in series parallel. So you can put any probe here, doesn't matter if it's a positive probe, put to here. This one end up will be like a negative or positive. Likewise here, they're gonna be reading 4.2 Here to here 4.2, here to here 4.2, so that gives the 8.4. So right now I just set them up like for 12 volt system, so I can use like 15 of these in parallel. So that time I can able to balance all of them and all the center tapping, so we charge in the battery and becomes equal, so we can have a proper balance, and do the same thing into this and charge them. Okay, I can able to take a wire from here and join it to the center tap right here. Okay, let me go this way, from here to here, from here to here, from here to there. See here, you can see that from here to here, there to here, here to there. So we can able to balance them all at the same time, or we can just use all negatives, all center taps, all positives, and like copper, and we end up balancing all the cells, because I have some of them here are 10, 9 or 10, they are 7.2, 7.2s here, 7.2 or 7.4, and the other one the 6 point something, because they've been sitting for quite a long time. So that will put them into equalizing mode or balancing, because this kind of weird if you want to put a BMS on this. It's very tricky for someone to put a BMS on this unless you know what you're doing. They used to, Green Tech used to sell stuff like that you can put together, you know, the board. So you can put the board together, and all of a sudden, I think I got some of the boards too, so I can able to do a series configuration. I never did. So right now I just have them this way. If you want to store them, it's nice to store them on a high voltage, all in series, so it's not going to be any voltage drop that much when they used to be in the car. So just properly balance the amps and the volt. You parallel them, and it makes them really nice and stay like that for a very long time. Okay, like and subscribe. JW Solar USA, live from Minnesota. I just bring you a recap of the Nissan Leaf battery here at the Command Center here in Minnesota. Thanks for watching. Love you guys all, and stay tuned.